Dear students, we will see problems on line graph in this section. The problem is study the following line graph and answer the question based on it. So this is the line graph in which number of vehicles manufactured by two companies over the years and the numbers is in thousand. So see this line graph. On the x-axis there are years and on the y-axis there are number of vehicles in thousand. Okay, so this solid line is for the company X and the dotted line is for the company Y. So according to that we will answer the question. First question is, what is the difference between the total production of two companies in the years? Okay, so we have to find out we have to add all the production of X and Y company from 1997 to 2002. See here, the solution is total production of company X from 1997 to 2002 is 716000 and total production of Y from 1997 to 2002 is 742000. So the difference is 7,42,000 minus 7,16,000. So it is 26,000. Okay, so the difference is 26,000. The answer is C. Next question is, what is the difference between the number of vehicles manufactured by a company Y in 2000 and 2001? So we have to find out the number of vehicles manufactured by company Y in 2000 and 2001. So in 2000 it is 128 and in 2001 it is 107. So the difference is 128 means 1,28,000 minus 1,07,000. So it is the required difference is 21,000. Next, third question is, what is the average number of vehicles manufactured by company X over the given period? Okay, means we have to add all the production of company from 1997 to 2002 and as there are 6 years, so we have to divide it by 6. So see, so 1 by 6 and the addition of all the years from 1997 to 2002. So it is, the average is 1,19,333. Fourth problem is, in which of the following years the difference between the production of companies X and Y was the maximum among the years? Means we have to subtract X and Y for all the years. So see, for 1997 the difference is 2 lakh. For 1998 the difference is 20,000. For 1998 the difference is 21,000. For 1999 it is 41,000. 2000 it is 50,000. In 2001 it is 13,000 and 2002 it is 11,000. So clearly the maximum difference was in 2000 as it is 50,000, which is the maximum. Next problem is, the production of company Y in 2000 was approximately what percent of the production of company X in the same year? So Y and X in 2000. So Y is 128 and X is 78. Okay, so it is 1,28,000 upon 78,000 into 100. So 1,28,000 upon 78,000 into 100. So it is, the required percentage is 164. Okay, so this is the answer for the last question is 164. Okay, so here we have finished our unit 5 also. So thank you so much, beta.